Okay guys, so pretty much I already went ahead and I put the stocking cap on and I glue it. Well, I didn't glue it down because I'm only gonna wear this wig just for 2 days and take it off. So pretty much this is the wig right here. I did show you guys how I bleach it and everything. This is a full lace wig. I only put like 4 tracks in it just to make it more thicker because this was a 130 in density and I want it to be much more thicker. So if you have not watched that video, make sure you watch it right after this one. All right, so we're gonna put this on, and don't worry about my forehead. I wipe it off so that when I spray my got to be spray, it stick down. So let me try it on first. Oh child, oh she pretty, oh she pretty. All right, so pretty much you guys can see that the lace is not my skin tone, and I did went ahead and I tint the lace with this Taylor Crown light brown tint, but it still is not my shade. So I have to make sure that it looks much better. What I'm gonna do is cut the back of the lace off. I'm not gonna glue down the back because, as I said, that I'm gonna go ahead and take this off in 2 days. So I'm gonna use this spray to spray it down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the back off. So since this is not my skin tone and I did bleach it and I also tint it, it still doesn't match me. So what you have to do is make sure that let me put more alcohol on this. I'm gonna go ahead and put the alcohol and wipe off my forehead a little bit more. And also I did record this makeup look, so make sure you check that out too. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to match my skin tone, I'm gonna use my foundation. This is the same foundation that I have on my face right now, so you can see that it definitely matched me. So I'm gonna use it onto the lace. So I'm gonna take a little bit. You don't wanna take too much because you're only gonna put it pretty much like just to the front and a little bit behind the lace. So you're gonna go ahead and take that, and you're gonna take a kind of fluffy, not really fluffy, but a stipple brush and rub it in like this, and then you're gonna put it onto the lace. And this will definitely blend right in, but you gotta make sure that you're using your same foundation that you use for your skin. So after you do that, you're gonna go ahead and use your got to be spray and spray. The reason why you have to spray it is because this the foundation is very, you know, some foundation have alcohol in it, so you got to make sure that you spray so that it could lock right in. So just spray a little bit of this just to lock in the foundation, and then you're gonna use your blow dryer and blow dry it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on right now and just clip here. So now I'm gonna make sure that, let me get this. I'm gonna make sure that I do have a low hairline. As you can see that my hair comes right out here. I don't know if you can see it. It's really thin, but my hair comes right out here, the baby hair. So I'm gonna make sure that it is right here. So you see how it comes out right here? This is sitting on my forehead. As you guys can see, it is sitting on my forehead. And when I glue it down like this, make sure it's even. When I glue it down like that, it's gonna sit right on my forehead. And I don't want that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you a little trick, all right? So the trick, what you gotta do is follow your own hairline, okay? So you see my hairline start right here. I'm gonna bring it up and go through the hair and come down. So I'm gonna pull this part out. Okay, so the part that I pull out is gonna go away. All this hair has to go, okay? Because I don't want my lace to sit on my forehead. If you like that, go ahead and do that, baby, but that's not what I want. Okay, so all of this is gonna go, the entire thing. And you also have to make sure that you cut off the ear tab, okay? So make sure you go ahead and cut off the ear tab. And do not cut too much because it will mess up. So just follow the shape of your ears and just cut it off. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, pin this here back out of the way. Okay guys, so now that everything is where it's supposed to be, the ears is perfect, right? I'm gonna go ahead and spray. Then I'm gonna use my blow dryer. And as I said, guys, don't worry because the whole thing is gonna cut off when I cut the lace off. So don't worry if this front part look hideous. I just wanna make sure that, you know, it's like on my section of my forehead that I want it to be. Okay guys, so before I cut everything off, I'm gonna go ahead and use my elastic band. This is what I use if I want to go glueless with my wig. I put it on, so I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, so you could go underneath the blow dryer or you could just wait until you know it's dry, then you're gonna come back and cut it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab something to eat because my ass is hungry right now. So I'm gonna go grab something to eat, and then maybe like 20 minutes or so I'll come back and then I'm gonna show you how I cut the lace off. Okay guys, so I am back and I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Oh, it is laid. All right, so first you're gonna need your scissors and also your razor because you don't want to cut a straight line, you want to cut like a zigzag. So first I'm going to go ahead and just cut the center. And both sides. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my scissors and just cut it off. Okay guys, so I thought I was recording, but what I was saying to you that I'm gonna use my, where is it? Where did I put it? Okay, so I cut piece off already and I use my Sebastian hair shaper. This one is with hold and control, or you could go ahead and use back your got to be glue. So while I cut, so when I cut a little piece, I spray it on there and then I blow dry it. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so as you can see that I finished cut off the lace. I did go back and forth with these two here, but what I want to do is, you know, the spray came right down into my forehead, so I got to clean it up with alcohol and just clean up the edges. But and also there got to be spray, make it hard. So what you have to do is just get some, what is this, the heat protector serum or any oil sheen, and just spray it on it just a little bit, and then just comb it out and then just fix it up. So I'm gonna do that in a second, but I just want to show you guys how it looks. I did cut the shape of my face, the shape of my hairline. Okay, so as you guys already can tell that I did went up a little bit, because if I had let it stay like that, it will reach right here into my forehead, and that don't look good. So let me go ahead and clean it up with the alcohol. Okay guys, so I am back and I went ahead and just cleaned up my forehead, and that's the reason why I hate doing makeup before I put on my wig. It's a mess. So as you can see how flawless, seamless, melted-less this is. Like, it is so crazy how beautiful this is. And remember guys, I did shape out I showed you in the beginning that I curve it out and I cut it off just to match my hairline, because if I had left it like this, it would be right here. Okay, trust me. So pretty much it have a little bit of line. You can't see that much, but I'm going to show you how it looks in natural lighting, because I have a ring light, two big box lights right here and right here, and my camera is on HD setting, so it's a lot of light that is like on me right now. But I'm gonna show you in like outside natural light how it looks. You cannot see the lace. You can't see the lace unless you're up in my face like this. But if you're like arcs, okay. But also I didn't do anything to the back, but as I said, this is a full lace wig, so if I want to glue down the back, I can. And if you want me to show you how I glue the back down and put it in a bun, let me know in the comment section and I will definitely do that for you. And also I'm going to show you guys how I put it on with like bolt hold or the other glue. But yeah guys, it's like, look how firm this is not coming off at all. Okay, and it's just with this spray. So this is a natural state of the curls right now. So this is a natural curl. It's so, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Like, I had put no water in it. I washed it and I let it air dry, so there's nothing in it, no products, no oil sheen, nothing at all. So I could even wear this like this. I think I'm going to, but I just want to show you guys how it look when I put water and mousse in it. So let me go ahead and do one side first. Okay guys, so this is one side all wet and mousse down. As you can see how beautiful these curls are. Like, let me zoom you guys in so you can see them curls, baby. Okay, so as I said, I did put 4 tracks in between to make it more fuller and thicker, go ahead and watch that video. I have it up on my channel right now so you can see how I get it. But this is really a full lace wig. Okay, so this is how one side look, and I'm not a fan of baby hair. I just don't know, maybe because of my age, or I don't know. I do not like baby hair. Okay, I don't like baby hair, and as you can see, I do not need baby hair. It's laid, baby. These is laid. Okay, look at that. I don't need baby hair. Okay, so you see the difference with one side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Okay guys, so now that it's all done, I look so friggin' good. I look so good. Okay, so let me put a little bit of oil sheen in it. This one right here. Just a little bit, because I do not like to put a lot of products into my hair. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. I am madly in love with this. I'm madly in love, and I have to take it off in 2 days. So I'm gonna enjoy myself and take some pictures. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I'll be posting up pictures of this hair in natural lighting so you can see. But this is, oh, she is pretty. All right, this wig is from my hairline, prestigehumanhair.com. This is the Brazilian full lace wig, and this was in 26 inches, and I put 4 tracks in it to make it more thicker and more fuller. All right, also my website will be back up running early next year, next year. Wow, can't believe it. 2020. So I will keep you guys posted of when it's gonna be relaunched. But until then, just follow me Instagram, follow me on YouTube, subscribe to me. Let me know what you want me to do next. This hairline is popping. I'm in love. I am in love. Okay guys, so I will see you again in my next one. Bye.